Transportation and travel tickets. I've just landed at Changi Airport, and it already feels like I'm in a different world. This airport, often named as the most beautiful in the world, is considered an attraction worth visiting. You'll find a swimming pool, a gym, a butterfly garden, and the Jewel at Terminal 1, a wonderful shopping center with plenty of shops and restaurants. Before arriving, I submitted my documents through the MyICA app. You can also do this through their website to expedite the checkout process. Singapore is about 20 kilometers from the airport, and taking the metro, located in the basement of Terminal 2, is certainly economical but can be inconvenient as it requires a transfer to reach other exchanges. For the rest of your journey, the Singapore Metro, MRT, will be incredibly useful. It consists of 5 lines that cover all areas of the island and are renowned for their cleanliness, safety, and punctuality. Operating from 5:30 a.m. to midnight, ticket fares vary based on the journey length, ranging from 1.40 to 2.70 SGD. This time, especially if you're tired from the journey, taking a taxi might be the best solution. Alternatively, you can book a driver via apps, which are more economical, such as Grab, ComfortDelGro, and Gojek. If you're alone and looking to save money, you can book a city shuttle. Alternatively, there are numerous buses that are super efficient. I'll leave the official airport website in the description where all available buses are listed. I'll also leave the link for all city buses. On all public transport, you can pay with your card, and on buses, also in cash to the driver. To simplify things and save money, I purchased a Singapore tourist pass from a vending machine. It's a bit frustrating, but the first day of coverage of the pass begins from your first usage of the pass until the end of the public transport service for that day. For this reason, and to avoid bank charges on every transaction, it's advisable to also purchase a prepaid contactless S-Link card, valid in many shops. There are vending machines for this card throughout the city, including at the airport, or from authorized retailers. I'll leave the link here for all additional info. That said, all that's left is to follow the tour I've prepared to get to know the city a bit. Let's go! Ending notes.